Hi there and welcome to EA Helpers. Looking for a new challenge? Join our constructions team in Montenegro as a construction worker. No experience or language skills are needed, making this an ideal job opportunity for anyone ready to work hard and learn. What is the job? You will be assisting skilled workers, mixing materials, and helping to maintain a clean and safe workspace. Basic construction tools and equipment will be used, and you'll be following instructions from the site supervisor. Our requirements: physically fit, willing to work 8 hours per day, a positive attitude and team spirit. What we offer: a competitive salary from 700